How to manage blocked peoples on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage blocked peoples on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then just go down until you find this one blocking, and click on it, and then here you can manage blocked peoples. Here you could see your blocked peoples. Just if you want to add any people here, just click on add to blocked list and type his name here or anything, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.